Hey guys, I want to introduce you this little gift box, but unbox it for you. Inside you will find this little pearl shell with a pearl inside and this kind of necklace. So actually you can open it. Oh, and you will find a can and little necklace inside. So first we are going to open this thing. Oh. Oh, how to open it? Okay, you will find a little pearl inside, so you can insert it here by pulling this chain. You just open it and you can put the little pearl inside and close it by putting this chain here. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift, I can recommend it for you. Thank you. Bye.